Hi guys and welcome back. So in today's video we are going to be doing the unboxing Boxycharm video. For those of you who don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box that you pay $21 a month for. And you always end up getting like 5 full-size products, sometimes 6. Very rarely do we get 6, but sometimes we do. You get 5. They're all full-size products. A lot of them are name brand. Well, they're all name brand. Okay, so without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump on in. This month's box is called Rock 2018. These are the first things I see when I open the box. So the first thing in the box is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizing Primer. I've already used this about 3 times and I like it. It doesn't do what I thought it was doing, but I like it. I'll continue to use it. I will probably end up repurchasing it, most likely. So the luminizing primer delivers a natural radiant glow while blurring pores and imperfections for a beautifully illuminated, flawless complexion. The next thing in the box is the It Cosmetics Brow Powder Universal Eyebrow Pencil. Developed with plastic surgeons, It Cosmetics' #1 best-selling, award-winning eyebrow pencil is infused with brow-enhancing biotonic glycerin, a bunch of things that I'm not even going to try and continue to pronounce. The brow powder technology to give you your most beautiful, natural-looking brows, even if you have none at all. Plus, its universal, transforming shades adjust to all hair colors based on pressure. Its excessive oval tip mimics the look of real hair, and it includes a built-in grooming spoolie brush for polished perfection. So I used this once. Well, I tried it. I ended up just going over powder. So this, I love the spoolie. It's a very good spoolie. And then the eyebrow itself, just depending on how much pressure you put, like they said. It's okay. It's not my favorite brow pencil, but it'll get used. So the next thing in the box, and this was what I was the most excited for, is the Crown Pro Glam Metals Palette. Can you see? There. So this has it's a guitar, and then it has beautiful colors in it, and I'm super excited to use these. I will probably use this most likely Saturday when I film, so I'm super excited for that. Let's swatch some. So I'm super excited for the Wicked, Punk, Rebel, and Pop Rock. So 1, 2, 3. Ooh! Ooh! Can you? Those are freaking beautiful. That Rebel though, they're very buttery, very pigmented. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, so rock your look with the Crown Glam Metals Eyeshadow Palette. These highly pigmented, ultra blendable shadows make smoky eyes look a breeze. This runs $25 in store. Oh, also the It Cosmetics Brow Pencil is $24. Next in the box is the Complexion Authority Bronze and Brightening Cheek Palette. An on-the-go highlighting bronzer and blush palette with 3 skin perfecting powders to create an effortless and sun-kissed glow on every skin tone, featuring Pure's fan favorites Afterglow and Mineral Glow, along with the new blush shade Blushing Glow. Throw this in your bag and you're ready to go. This runs $34. So this is the Dreamer Bronze and Brightening. So it has a very, very nice mirror. Hi guys. So I have swatched these. Personally, I think, okay, so they say this is a contour powder. It's too shimmery for me to do a contour powder. Maybe like in the summer when I just want like a cute little iffy look, but it's a no for me. The blush is way too corally. I will most likely use it as an eyeshadow. No, I'm getting this all over me. And then I really do like the highlighter. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna throw some on. Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay. I approve. Okay. But I love the mirror. I really like that highlighting color. The coral I'll probably end up using for like an eyeshadow along with that one as well. I'll most likely try and use it. I'm not promising anything because if I don't like it, I don't like it. But I do have a couple ideas in mind with it. So last in the box is the Girl Lactic Matte Lip Paint. This runs $23. It's one of the original liquid lipstick formulas that is still true to its words. It's lightweight, long-wearing, non-cracking, and won't settle. For better application, do not apply a lip balm or lip primer before application. It is in the color Posh. I don't hate the color. It's a pretty color. It's like a pinky brownie color. Haven't used it yet. But that is the end of today's video. All these products together came out to $144. So I paid $21 a month for it, and I got $144 worth of products this month. If you guys have any questions at all, just go ahead and leave them down below, and I will answer them for you. Have a great day.